Hello, everyone, and welcome to our another episode of Marie Olivier and the LinkedIn. Today, we will be speaking about can I export LinkedIn searches to Excel? I'm Marie Zametsinkova, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, leadership transformational company for founders, entrepreneurs, and CEOs, and also leaders who want to upgrade their personal brand, build a wealth strategy, and also rewire their brain. So let's take a look if you can actually export LinkedIn searches to Excel. A question I often get: can you export your LinkedIn searches, like a list of people you have found or filtered, into Excel? The short answer, yes, but with some limitations and depending on your account type. Here is what you need to know. First, LinkedIn doesn't allow you to directly export search results into Excel like a download button. However, there are few ways to work around it, especially if you need to organize leads, job candidates, or networking contacts. If you are using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you have more features that allow you to save leads and access limited export options through CRM integration. So this is how the Sales Navigator looks like. And we will be discussing mainly three ways on how to export your search. So the first one, if you go to the accounts, here you can find, or actually leads, here you can find multiple people based on the lead filters. So let's say that I want to create some different filters, and here I'm getting results. So of course you can manually copy paste the names and like put it in the Excel sheet, but it's not ideal for large lists, but it's doable for small groups. Simply copy the info you see and paste it into your Excel sheet. Easy, just for the small Excel. Then the second one is LinkedIn data export for your own connections only though. So here is how you can make it. So go to your profile, choose setting and privacy, then select the data privacy. Here we go. And then from here, get a copy of your data. So when we click on this, we can actually choose to export the connections. It gives us different things that we need. So double and larger data archive, including connections, verification, contacts, account history, or if I want something particular, and then you just request the archive and it will get into you will receive the notification when the Dublin is ready. So this was the second option, how you can actually export your search. Then the third one is using browser extensions or third-party tools. So there are a lot which you can use. Some tools can scrape LinkedIn data, but proceed with caution because LinkedIn's terms of service prohibit data scraping. So using these tools can lead to account restrictions. LinkedIn really doesn't like the third-party scraping and also getting the data. So really use it wisely if you want to go with it. So, some of the best practices for working with LinkedIn search data. There are three of them that I want to tell you. First, use Sales Navigator if you are doing outreach or lead gen. This gives you more filters and and also you can list. You can actually save the lists that you are working on. Then the second one is keep your notes organized by maintaining a spreadsheet manually if you are doing targeted networking. So just open an Excel sheet and really, if you have like 17 leads that you are currently targeting, really write down what you want to do with these, at what stage these leads are, if you are warming them up or if they're warmed up, etc. Use text and the notes inside the LinkedIn. So this is either for the Sales Navigator or Recruiter, and you can track who you have actually contacted, which is really which is really useful. So, for example, here when we go to this person, we can here save, we can also write notes, we can also connect, view the profile. So, Sales Navigator is really powerful. So these are the three best practices. Then there are also mistakes that people are doing. And there are actually three of them. So the first one is relying on automation tools that violates LinkedIn's rules. It may seem efficient, but getting banned or restricted isn't worth the risk. The second one is assuming search results are final. LinkedIn's search algorithm updates often, so revisit and refresh your searches regularly. And the third one is not qualifying leads manually. Even if you get a big list, make sure each contact aligns with your goals before reaching out. While LinkedIn doesn't offer a simple export to Excel button, which would be really useful for search results, there are smart strategic ways to collect and organize the information you need, especially if you are consistent, respectful of LinkedIn policies, and also focused on genuine connection, which is really important for your strategy. So this is it for today's topic on if you can export LinkedIn searches to Excel. If you want to know more about LinkedIn, go to mariolevy.com and you can also find more tips and tricks on the LinkedIn. And in the meantime, I will see you in the next episode. I am Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd, the leadership transformational company. Bye.